Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ClickUp for projects management. So if you want to master ClickUp for projects management, here's everything that you need to know or to get started. First, you will need to create your first workspace. If you don't have one, you will need to go and create it. It's very easy. As you can see for me, I already have a workspace here ready to use for you. If you don't have one, just go and click on create workspace. It's very easy. So once you do so, you will have to start using lists and tasks. Inside each workspace, you will have spaces. You'll be able to create some spaces. Inside those spaces, basically you can use these spaces to organize by team, by client, by department, as example. So this is for a specific team that I have in here. Now, inside those spaces, you can create folders. As example, I have a folder here named project. And inside those folders, you can start creating some projects, some lists, some tasks. So basically, it's a space. Inside the space, there's a folder. Inside the folder, there's lists. And inside the list, there is tasks. And as you can see here, I have some tasks inside this list, which is called projects. And this list inside the folder called projects. And this inside a space called team space. So basically, think of lists like to-do section and tasks as individual items. As you can see, you'll be able to add whatever tasks you want here. Name it, assign someone to it, have a due date to it, have a priority, set a status, and you can even add a comment. You can also add other columns, example, if you want, like a summary, a custom text, example, some notes, some drop down, some labels, some checkbox. You'll be able to add a lot of stuff. Also, once maybe you're done with adding tasks, you can start adding some views. So in this list example, normally you have a calendar view, a table view, a grant view or Gantt view. You can even add other views like some charts views example, some team views, some chats view if you want to chat with your team example. You'll be able to add a lot of stuff. So basically you can just choose your view. List view example, just great for to-do lists. Board view, like Trello, perfect for Kanban style and workflow. Of course, like this one. Just show you like this. As you can see, for calendar example and timeline, it's basically for scheduling and deadlines. So just pick the one that fits your project style. And you can start an example, assigning people now to your tasks and set some priority. And you'll be able also to automate some repetitive work. If you go to automate here at the top, you'll be able to create some AI fields. You'll be able to create some automations example. So when something happened, do this example, you have to set up a trigger in the action. Maybe when the task is done, send a message to something or send a message in chats and stuff like that. You can also use docs and goals and dashboards. Use docs to store like projects, briefs, and SOAPs. And you can set, an example, the goals with the measurable targets. And you can build dashboards for real-time reporting across multiple projects. As example here, you'll be able to click on create and you'll be able to create your dashboard to have a better view. As example, you can link it to a specific space and you'll have a better, as example, view. So as you can see, you can select a space here, click on create dashboard, and you'll be able to see, as example, a lot of that regarding that specific space. So you don't get overwhelmed with all the tasks in there. So as example, I have here 6 tasks, 1 in progress, 0 completed. So a better view in the dashboard. And that's basically ClickUp in a nutshell. It's fast, flexible, and built to scale your projects in 2025. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.